Today in this video I will show you how to set up the monitor stand with drawers. So first unpack the box and take out all the components inside it, and this is the box. Then put the leg on the monitor stand one by one. As shown in the diagram. Then once the leg is ready, then we put on the top just to make it cover. Then now it's time for drawer. Put the dividers. And then put inside. And this is finally ready, our monitor stand with drawer. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.